Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The month of May was eventful for the Salesian family in Indonesia. In particular, the Salesian community in Sumba has celebrated the Florinas, the feast of Saint Dominic Savio, the novena on the 24th of May, the feast of Mary Help of Christians. On this day, the Salesian family gathered to attend the Eucharistic celebration presided over by Father Haryanto Ignatius SDB, Rector of Salesian Work in Sumba. Many young people, students and Catholics from different regions were also present at the celebrations. The Feast of Mary Help of Christians was celebrated with great fervor in all the Salesian presences and works in the St. Luke province of Venezuela, VEN, from children and youth to adults and the elderly. From small communities to large schools and parishes, everyone gathered to pay homage to Don Bosco's Madonna. The young people were the main feature at the celebrations, actively participating in readings, songs and theatrical performances. In many places, processions were organized with the image of Mary Help of Christians accompanied by the faithful who expressed their devotion and affection. The Feast of Mary Help of Christians in the Venezuela province was a moment of joy, devotion and spiritual renewal for the entire Salesian community. The 107th pilgrimage to the Shrine of Mary Help of Christians in Fortin Mercedes, south of the province of Buenos Aires, was celebrated under the motto, "With Mary in prayer, we are mission." The shrine is an expression of gratitude to Mary for the evangelizing activity in Patagonia, land of Don Bosco's dreams. The pilgrimage of the local communities took place on Friday, 24th May, from the railway station in Pedro Luro to the shrine, where the Eucharist was celebrated at 5 p.m. The pilgrimage was joined by many children, members of the 45th Battalion of the Argentine Explorers of Don Bosco, the musical band, teachers and students from educational communities, the FMA and pastoral agents at the shrine. On 18th May, the Salesian family in Mindanao, Philippines gathered at the Don Bosco Mati for a daily event where people mingled and learned and saw cultural presentations from the different Salesian settings. After a performance by the Salesian cooperators and members of ADMA, the participants were welcomed by Father Rosman Valenciano, Rector of Don Bosco Mati. Immediately afterwards, Father Godofredo Aitenza, Provincial Delegate for the Salesian family, introduced the main speaker of the day, Father Nestor Empelido. Then followed the Holy Mass celebrated by Father Valenciano. It was attended by young people, past pupil of Mati and Cebu, and members of ADMA in Mati and Kalinan. The event ended with a final hymn in honor of Saint John Bosco, which marked the culmination of a day full of fun and joy, which reminded everyone of the family spirit. On 25th May, the Salesian family celebrated the MAY.2024, an event organized by the Youth Ministry Working Group in Manoas, with the strong support of the Salesian Youth Movement SYM in Manoas and the FMA. Under the inspiring theme, "With Mary, Mother and Teacher, we learn to dream," the journey began at Casa Mame Margarita FMA, heading to the Pro Meno Don Bosco SDB complex in the east zone of the city. The Marian Way was more than just a pilgrimage. It was a celebration of faith and hope, protected by the inspiring figure of the Virgin Mary, who encourages dreaming. In addition to the manifestation of devotion, the 2024 Marian Way also served as a moment of reflection on the challenges faced by the local community, reinforcing the importance of solidarity and mutual collaboration to overcome them. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.